Move to hopefully boost passenger and pilot safety. The FAA now announcing a committee to look at pilot mental health and make it easier to report conditions to the agency.
And that, of course, the timing with that comes just weeks after an emergency landing at Portland International Airport, an ordeal that made international headlines. An off-duty pilot accused of trying to down a plane says he was experiencing a mental health crisis. Now to Jamie Seymour live tonight and looking into this new move. Jamie?
Jeff, Liz, the FAA has not said if this new move, the committee, is in any way related to that emergency landing here at PDX just over 2 weeks ago. But they did say that working on mental health sources is something they are working for.
A major move by the FAA when it comes to pilots' mental health. The administration announcing this week it's now making a committee to make it easier for pilots to report mental health issues.
We are doing everything we can to encourage open discussion of these issues and early intervention when necessary. Most conditions, if treated, do not disqualify a pilot from flying.
Officials say there's a stigma in the aviation industry, and they hope moves like this committee of medical experts and aviation and labor reps is a step in the right direction. Other recent moves, hiring more mental health professionals that can decrease wait time when deciding if a pilot can return to flying, and improving research on antidepressants.
A mental health diagnosis is not a career ender.
This comes just weeks after an emergency landing at Portland International Airport after off-duty Alaska Airlines pilot Joseph Emerson is accused of attempting to take down a plane, later admitting to a nervous breakdown and depression. One aviation expert tells KOIN 6 more needs to be done to keep passengers safe and have more open policies for pilots to get the help they need.
The pilot's very open that he had severe mental health challenges. Nothing was done by airlines or the FAA. That's really a red flag. The industry is really grappling with mental health in the cockpit.
The FAA says they will be looking at recommendations from the Inspector General, but says opening the dialogue will make all the difference.
Ultimately, though, any discussion about safety and performance must involve open and honest communication.
Now, the next steps are creating a charter for that committee as well as appointing a panel of experts to it. All of that expected to be finalized in the next few weeks. Reporting live from PDX, Jamie Seymour, KOIN 6 News.
Jamie, thank you.